Get a chair.
Let's talk. If your life had a theme song, what would that song be right now?
Pirates of the Caribbean. Hiyo song ilikuwa inaendaga. Do you know it?
Yes.
Good. That one.
So, what version of yourself have you outgrown that you're still holding on to?
Oh my God. Me, in my mind, I'm still 28, Joe. Mimi mnaniambia ati nakaribia 40 na shindwa mnaoga juu ya nani? Me I'm still 20. I feel 28 at heart. Hata vile mimi huvaa tu siku hizi, mtanisamehea. 28 till I die.
Tumwambie ukweli ama Ani atamwambia.
Kijana mdogo hata sijapona kitovu.
How would your life be different if you stopped overthinking?
Actually, I don't overthink. Mimi mazende kitu. Hivi ndio tunaenda? Kaende sana. Maybe uniulize how different my life would be if I was an overthinker.
Okay, yeah.
Singekuwa nimefanya much.
So, your impulsiveness has helped you, Nini?
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I think I had it. Tuesday I was catching up with that men's conference. Okay, not men's conference.
Yes.
Men's... round table. Yeah. Yes. You did with Judy.
Yes,
and she was talking about how your impulsiveness, iyo kuwa roho juu imekusaidia ufike penye umefika.
Exactly. Ki-overthink, kuna vitu zingine unaogopa kudu, na kumbe, hapo ndio hata strength yako iko. So you overthinking, ama you take so much time to do things. Sasa mazee, hii dunia ingojei mtu.
So how do you respond to failure? Because I don't think it's every time unafikanga pia uko naenda.
Good. So for me, failure is just a word. Failure doesn't mean anything to me. It's not failure. It's a learning process. It's a learning curve.
Wow.
Yeah. So
thank
you.
Wow.
So you see failure.
I totally agree with you. I've learned a lot from watching CTA.
Good.
So what's one beautiful thing about yourself that you rarely acknowledge? Good, positive.
People skills.
Oh, yes.
Mimi naweza jitoa kwa ngori na mtu yoyote. Nishajitoa kwa ngori na anti-terrorism police unit.
Walifikaje hapo kwanza?
Mtu yangu mazee.
Rewind.
Well, wacha tu niseme kuna mahali juu hiyo impulsiveness yangu, I didn't do my due diligence. So I ended up filming something in a very highly restricted area. Extremely. Like anyone who takes their camera there has to have an agenda.
Hiyo story nilisikia.
Ulisikia?
Nimesoma kitu.
Nimeona wewe ni wewe mkuu. Bas.
So it was it somewhere along Karura nini something like that?
Yes.
It was I remember that.
Ni residence za watu fulani mention ama tutajipata ndani tena.
Thank you so much, Abel. Now it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn. Okay. Wow. Man. I wish ningekuwa na Mkenya nijipange na maswali fiti. But what would you tell your 9-year-old self?
So hapa tunahitaji context. Do you want to know how when I was 9 years old?
Yes.
Uko sure?
Nataka kujua.
Cha kwanza nifanyie hesabu zangu.
You were 9 in
Yes.
You were 9 in
I didn't fail my maths, yes.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
But you're still young at heart.
Sasa naelewa ukisema I look 28 unaniangalia unashinda huyu anasema nini? Wow.
I think what I tell myself is, people tend to think that the world they live in is the whole world. So I used to make my classroom my entire world. Nice. The world out here, nobody cares. It's not that deep. I have succeeded much more than my bullies and I'm not gloating.
That's what's up. I love it.
Yeah.
So Ali, are you doing the thing that you thought you'd do when you were 9?
Interestingly, I was like you and Judy in terms of I knew I was attracted to the arts and I was attracted to but what I knew as media was journalism. Okay. So I thought I'd be reading news. You get? But I'd still say I'm doing what I thought I'd be doing. Correct. It's just it's evolved with the times.
Yes. Plus the medium is different now.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
That's pretty much it.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
In terms of people skills, I totally agree. He's made me feel so comfortable. Like, karibu nienda pale nijisavie.
Ukote karibu. Ukikaa pale kwa show. Juu tunataka kuwapigia kelele hapo for 3 hours.
That's why we are here. Okay, last thing, anything for our audience?
Wacha niangalie, let me see. Okay, based off what we've just talked about. Okay, it's good to analyze things, but don't overdo it.
Yeah.
Sometimes just, get up, enda fanya. If you fail, dust yourself up. You've learned something. Go do it again, do it differently, do it better. Bas.
Thank you so much, Mkurugenzi.
Anytime.
Bye, guys.
All right.